Good morning, children. Today you are going to learn about apposition words or prepositions. Do you know, children, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, or a thing is. Some examples of position words or prepositions are: a jug is on the table. Here, on tells us where a jug is. So, on is a position word. A dog is near the tree. Here, near tells us where a dog is. So, near is a position word. A caterpillar is under the mushroom. Here, under tells us where a caterpillar is. So, under is a position word. A cat is in the box. Here, in tells us where a cat is. So, in is a position word.